Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I want to share with you my Halloween Tombstone project. This is a pattern from Kathy of Paper Phenomenon. At least most of it is. The top part is hers, the bottom part is mine, so I just wanted to share that with you real quick. So today is Friday the 13th, and I thought what better way to celebrate Friday the 13th than to work on a Halloween project. So I did, and I will share that one with you in a second. You can kind of see it right here. So I wanted to share with you, first of all, let's start with paper. So what I used is a few different paper lines. So this is from last year's, and it's Dark Hollow Kit in Ella and V Paper Company. And super cool, super spooky, absolutely love it. And I also used Eerie Night by Reminisce. Again, another super cool, super spooky Halloween paper. Spookier the better. And I also used Martha Stewart Halloween paper pad, and this is from last year's Halloween. And if you can see this little polka dotted paper here, we can see it that well, but that's what's on the base of this. And then I also used from 2 years ago from Michael's the Midnight Magic Halloween collection right here, and I used some of this paper, and I will probably use all of these when I'm creating the albums and stuff for it. So first of all, let's get started on this one. So this particular project I had made last October, and that would be October for 2017. This is the project kit for that. And the top part here is all hers, and the base is my idea. I didn't quite care for how hers looked, and I wanted to do mine a little bit different. So mine is different than hers, so if you do go check out the pattern, you will notice that it is probably actually quite a bit different. So let's take a quick look through. So see how it is so big? Let's do this first. So this is the paper. Absolutely love the spookiness from this paper. And I love Halloween, so this will probably be on display all the time. And let me show you the base. So the album will sit in here, and then the top of the tombstone will cover over top of it. So this is the base. Quite heavy. There is an absolute ton of chipboard on it, and I didn't want to waste all the empty space with this. So what I did was I created a hidden little drawer right here, and it actually opens up and reveals a little box, and it is hidden, and it just slides right back in and seals up all the way tight, so you can see opens like this. I probably will put an extra couple pieces of chipboard on the bottom of this base just to get it up off the table and stuff, so the drawer does pull out easier. But I mean, you can see it pulls out nice and easy. So again, it just comes right out like that, and then whoops, and then it just opens up like that. And I haven't decided if I'm just going to put stuff in it, if I will make another little mini album to hide in there. This is going to be mine, so it's not going to go to anybody. So it doesn't really matter if I make it so it's visible that there is a drawer there or not, because I am keeping this. As I do with a majority of my Halloween projects, I don't like to give them away because I can't part with my babies. So then today's project is this one. So this is Tombstone number 2 for Kathy's projects. You see like that. So this one she actually hasn't done yet, and I decided to go ahead and do it myself. I've done enough projects that I can pretty much figure out how to do anything anyway, so I decided to do this one today. Super cute. I love the angles on the top of that tombstone. And again, this is probably how she's going to end up making the top of her tombstone. I don't know what she's going to do for the base, but the top, pretty much I followed the same instructions for the first one. So let's just look at the papers real quick. Super cute and creepy with the pumpkins there. Absolutely love it. And this is probably pretty close how I'm going to decorate the base. I'll come back with another video once I decorate these bases here. But just to show you, super cool, super spooky. Then of course the skull is inside. And then this base here, let me just show you what inspired me for the base to create the depth that I did right here and here. So what I'm going to do on the sides is, these are just little flower pots. These are for another project I'm working on, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue them together like that, and then it's actually going to go on the side like that. So let's see if I can get all this in the camera, but it'll be like that, and then of course it'll have stuff in it, and there'll be one on each side. So it'll go like that. So this right here was what inspired the base, because I have a really cool idea for what I'm going to do there. So let's just walk you through my base I have. This is my design, what I came up with. And just like the other one, this one has actually got two super cool little drawers hiding underneath, just like that. And then they slide right in. So on this one, what I did, unlike the other one, because I have to do it, is I did create a little extra step here on the bottom for this base part. So it comes up off the table a little bit. So when you are pulling the drawers out, it's not quite touching the table that it's on. So you can pull the drawers out just like that. Super cool. I absolutely love this. And I can't wait to decorate it. But I thought what a great way to have on my day off on Friday the 13th was to create another tombstone. Anyway, I hope you like what you see. And I will be sure to come back when I do the third tombstone, and also when I fully decorate these for Halloween. Give them that creep factor. Anyway, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button there, wherever it is. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.